Okay, so hello guys, I'm just got an unexpected delivery from Amazon, and then just take it out the box right over here. Yep, I cannot really show you the box, but here it is. The box is here. I just taken it out because I don't understand why. An unexpected one, because this is the Tomica Honda S2000 Tomytec Tomica Limited Vintage Neo. And it's supposed to say on the website it said that sorry for the plane. On the website it said 1st of August it's gonna come, but it's like what, 17 today, 17th of July, and it's already here, which is a bit weird. I don't understand about that, but what I do understand is this one is the AP2 Honda S2000 2006 is the model year of the car. And yeah, this car is quite special. It cost me about 3,600 yen, to be honest. That's quite a lot, but I pre-ordered it from I think the beginning of this year. So anyway, let's crack open this box, shall we? And by the way, I have another car, which is the AP1 S2000 right over here. If you want to see the unboxing of this car, click up there on the top right corner of the screen. And it's have openable bonnet. Look at that, absolutely magnificent. And it's have a openable roof mechanism. Well, it's not really, you have to assemble it, but still it's look quite cool. Look at that, proper summer car. I've always loved the S2000. It's my dream car. And I'm not really like the color of the AP1, although I prefer the AP1 over the AP2, of course. But still, the color of the AP2 is quite interesting. Here it is. As you can see, the car there. And the specs of the car looking very nice. Damn, that's look good. Even though the AP1 is much, well, I much prefer the AP1. But the AP1, the best color for me, in my opinion, is the gray, and the red one, well, here it is. Oh, and the yellow one is also nice, but I cannot find it. Yup, yeah. Ooh, it's smooth. Damn, look at that. I'm gonna use my dirty finger and take it out. Damn, look at that seat. The thing I always love about this when I pre-order is that's just how detailed, obviously, and how nice the color combination is. I also love the black one with the I think it's tan interior. No, it's not tan, it's not sure what that's color in English, but I quite like that interior as well, the creamy color. Okay, let's see. Fuck, I don't know how to open. Okay, yep. So okay, that's interesting. Okay, that should be the same color with this, or because it's in, wait, why is it black though? I don't understand. Okay, that's, I don't understand. Maybe outside the leather is blue and inside is black, maybe, possibly. I'm not sure about that, but if this blue is gonna be better. Anyway, look at this. Look at the car. And obviously I have openable bonnet. Obviously it's still loose. I cannot really put it, huh? Hey, I cannot put it stay open. How? Okay, so that's a bit weird. Okay, I'm very scared to broken this, but here it is, the engine. Let's see if it's different from okay, as far as I can see, okay, for some reason that bonnet is much higher open. How I cannot open that high on oh shit, I scared that I'm gonna break it, bro. Oh no, it's here. Okay, so the AP2 engine by the VTEC have a little I think it's a gold accent. It's a gold accent in here. So the AP2 engine have the gold accent in here. The VTEC engine looking nice, and the AP1 doesn't have the gold. It's have the black detail. Oh, and by the way, this one is black in the AP1. I think it's the fluid, water, oh no, the windshield fluid maybe, but this one is body colored. Okay, looking quite nice actually. The detail is mostly same. The front fascia is different. So the front fascia AP2 is the facelifted model. This is the AP2, sorry, and the gray one is the AP1. As you can see, I still prefer the AP1 over the AP2, but still the AP2 is a nice one. The tire is a bit off. Let's fix that. Yeah, it's looking nice. Damn, look at that. And then the rear, the rims is different here. And for some reason, I don't really like the AP1 brake caliper right over here, because it's see-through and it's sort of a bit, it's not dark color. Whereas this brake disc is dark color, which is, well, in my opinion, much nicer to look at. And obviously you have the S2000 badge both in front and here, the S2000. I'm not sure if you can see it, but here it is, S2000. This one also S2000. Yep, really nice detail. Let's focus on this one. Okay, at the rear, I don't think there's any change with the AP1. Oh no, there's a bit change. The indicator color is orange in the AP2, whereas the one in AP1 is body. No, it's clear tail light. Okay, looking pretty nice. The exhaust is bigger. Okay, the exhaust is of the AP2 is bigger. I think the AP2 have more torque, but not more power. I'm not sure. No, not more revs. Not as the revs is not as high as the AP1. I think there's also increase in horsepower, because this one have bigger exhaust. So the interior, which is quite nice actually, not much different from the AP1 apart from the seats and the lining of the carpet. Yep, the steering wheel is a bit different, as you can see. Wind deflector looking, I'm sorry, I'm gonna put this up. Yep, like that. And obviously the big difference is where the color and the looks of the car. That's the only big difference between the AP2 and the AP1. Okay, looking quite nice. Actually, that's really good. And oh, look at that. Okay, right. That's looking pretty nice actually. Damn, look at that. Yep, let's see the shots from the angles for you guys here. Yep, and let's put the roof on, shall we? Okay, now that's quite unexpected, to be honest, to the AP2 to arrive this soon. But here it is. Damn, look at that. Oh, I absolutely love this. Damn. Okay, let's change the AP1 too. Okay. Yep, looking fantastic. Look at that. Okay, let me show you with the roof up. So at first I'm not really sure, but the more I look at it, the better it is actually. The rims look great, the front fascia look also great, the engine absolutely magnificent, and obviously the combination is amazing. The seats is sort of purple. Is it purple? It's kind of blue purple, sort of baby. It's not baby blue. This is baby blue. This is like a purple sort of tone. Look at that, it's absolutely magnificent. And the wind deflector is also really nice. I'm just with they put some kind of like number plates on the car. Wow, still it's cool. There it is, Honda S2000. Obviously that's look absolutely stunning. Damn. And it's very quality feeling too. That's what I love about Tomica Limited Vintage Neo, is that it's the feeling of the car is much better than, for example, Tarmac Works or I don't know, Mini GT or whatever, Hobby Japan out there. Those diecast you feel like you're gonna broke it. But Tomytec is different because it's much more durable and the detail is better. And sometimes it have gimmicks like this. Yeah, it look absolutely stunning, honestly. Okay, I want to do a little experiment with this Okay, I'm gonna take the roof of this car out. I'm gonna put this one in here to see if it's work good. Oh, actually, you know what? It looked quite nice, to be honest. Oh, there it is. The AP2 S2000 with the different roofs. Oh damn, that's look great. Okay, the AP1 with the okay, it's not quite fitting in for some reason, even though it's the same. Oh god, that's a shame. Look, it's not fitting in. It's not really fitting in. Damn. But it does look quite weird. No, it's not look good in this car. No, I'm sorry, this look absolutely amazing. This one though, look quite nice actually, to be honest. Damn. Yep. So it's very detailed. It's very nicely done with this new diecast one. And obviously everything from Tomytec done is really quality, obviously. I'm not really sure about this car because I wanted this color combination to go on the AP1. It would be so nice, bro. Look at that. Imagine this color combination with the AP1. That would look absolutely magnificent. Here it is, the box of the S2000. Right. That does look good in it. Yeah, that's the box. Obviously this car, it costs, okay, let's come back to the cost for this car. So it's about 3,600 yen. Depends on when you buy it, because when you pre-order it, it's actually cheaper sometimes. When you bought it now, it's tend to be a bit more expensive, and there's not gonna be any car in the stock left, so you're going to have to wait. Yep. So I pre-ordered this car about the beginning of this year, I think, and for some reason now it's arrived. It's not August, it's now. So if anyone have this car, please share it in the comment. Oh shit, the comment, sorry, my English is bad because I live in Japan and I learning Japanese, and I now forgot English because I not used it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video, and goodbye.